Did you know that 1 teaspoon of honey is the life work of 12 bees? Yes, you heard it right. Let's take a sweet journey into the buzzing world of bees and uncover the incredible story behind this golden nectar. Comment down bee emoji and see what happens. Picture this: a bustling hive filled with thousands of bees working tirelessly to create nature's sweetest treat, honey. Each bee has a special role to play, from gathering nectar to transforming it into liquid gold. Now, here's where the magic happens. As bees collect nectar from flowers, they store it in their honey stomachs and fly back to the hive. Once there, they pass it on to other bees who work together to turn it into honey. But here's the catch. It takes the combined efforts of about 12 bees to produce just 1 teaspoon of honey. That's teamwork at its finest, with each bee contributing a tiny droplet to create something truly remarkable. Imagine the dedication and precision it takes for these tiny creatures to create such a precious delicacy. It's like watching a symphony of nature unfold before your eyes. And the result? Pure perfection in every spoonful. Honey isn't just delicious, it's also packed with nutrients and health benefits, making it a true gift from the bees. So next time you drizzle honey on your toast or stir it into your tea, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it took to reach your plate. It's a sweet reminder of the remarkable work of these tiny but mighty pollinators. And there you have it. Did you ever imagine that 1 teaspoon of honey could be the life work of 12 bees? It's a testament to the incredible power of teamwork and nature's ability to create wonders, one drop at a time. So, savor each spoonful, knowing that it's not just honey, it's the result of countless hours of hard work and collaboration in the hive. Follow for more of your daily dose of mind-blowing science.